A warm welcome to you all. Today we are going to see the course that will be Python programming, and in this course we are going to see the introduction about this programming language. So let's see about the Python programming language. So definition of a Python programming language is set like this. It is a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. That is, the Python programming can be used, or the Python programming language can be used to solve any type of general purpose problems. So it is said as Python is a general purpose programming language. Okay, so ordinary of any type of program, any type of problem, that is an ordinary mathematical calculation, standardized mathematical calculations, general purpose calculation, scientific calculations, all those can be solved by using this Python programming language and its libraries. So it is a general purpose programming language. And the second time you can see it as interpreted, that is the compilation as well as the execution, that is the error checking as well as the execution steps. Okay, so in our other programming languages, if you need to execute a program or if you need to execute a script, first step is you have to do the compilation process, that is you have to check for errors. Okay, so if any error is in that code or not, like this you have to make a check. After checking it, and once all the errors are being cleared, then only you will be able to run the program, or you will be able to execute the program. Okay, so but in case of Python programming language, you can directly run the code which you have written. Okay, on executing or running the code itself, the Python programming language or the Python interpreter will check if there is any error and it will be triggering the code. Okay, so if an error is found, it will stop the execution and it will indicate the programmer or the user that an error is found at this particular position. It will insist us to correct it. Okay, so it is as interpreted programming language. Okay, apart from writing codings and testing the programs, you can also test the code which you are attempting to solve or the expressions which you need to solve. Okay, so directly you can give the code or the expression and you can get the result at once. Okay, so that is also one of the possibility available in this Python programming language. Okay, so it is set as interactive. Okay, the next case is object oriented, that is it uses the object oriented concepts which are being used in the high level programming language such as C++ and Java, right? And also it is also set as high level programming language, that is the codes which are being written in the Python programming language can be understood by the machines or the systems. Okay, so it is a high level programming language. Okay, so it's a definition about this Python programming language. Okay, and also if you take the history of this Python programming language, the Python programming language is created by an engineer secretary, Udo van Rossum, National Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science, which is located in Netherlands. Okay, so it was invented in the period of 1985 to 1990. Okay, right? So earlier this Udo van Rossum was working in the programming language said to be B. Programming language said to be B. Okay, B programming language, right? So while working, he found out many hurdles. He found out many disabilities there, right? So he was not able to work in that clearly, right? So he found out many of the disabilities, or he found out many disadvantages in that programming language. So he thought of creating a new programming language where that new programming language should not contain these disadvantages. Okay, so he thought of using or including all the major facilities or features which are available in other programming languages which were available during that day. Okay, and he started his work during the time 1985 to 1990, and the last or in the end of 1992 he implemented this programming language set with Python. Okay, and he gave the name from a comedy series to Monty's Python Flying Circus. Okay, so he was a big fan of this Monty Python's Flying Circus series, and from there he chose the name set to be Python. Okay, so thus the name of the programming language became Python programming language. Okay, right? So what are the features available in this Python programming language? Is it is interpreted, it is interactive, it is object-oriented programming, and the mainly thing is the persons who do not have a programming background. Okay, the beginner of programming can also learn this programming language, or a beginner can also learn this programming language, right? So that is one of the biggest advantage of this Python programming language. Okay, so since it is a beginner's language, automatically it will be more easy to learn, and also it will be more easy to maintain. Okay, and also it is portable, that is you can use it anywhere, right? And it is extensible, that is you can extend the features of Python programming language into other programming language also, or you can also use other programming language into your Python programming code. And also it is open source, that is you can download it from the Python programming or from the Python official website, and you can use it. Okay, and also I told you that it is high level programming language, that is it can be the codes which are being written in the programming language can be understood by the machines. So it is a high level programming language, and it is also said as a scalable programming language. Okay, so these are the features with respect to the Python programming language, and the applications include all the major applications which are prevailing nowadays. Okay, embedding the scripts then can be used for developing 3D softwares, for web development, for image processing, graphical design applications, then for creating desktop applications, for doing the scientific and technical applications, then for creating games, then for doing the enterprise and business applications, for creating the operating system, for creating language, that is for developing language, for creating a prototype for software, and also it can be used for the network program. Okay, so these are the major applications with respect to the Python programming language. The next case is these are some of the companies. Okay, so there are lots and lots of companies are using the Python programming language. Among them, these are the major players. Okay, so BitTorrent, then the Google search engines, YouTube, Intel, Cisco, HP, IBM, iRobot, then the NASA, Facebook, Dropbox, and etc. Okay, so more companies are using this Python programming language. Okay, and the advantage is it is easily readable, and it can be used in any platform, that is it is platform independent, that is you can use it in any operating systems, and it has a support of large libraries, right? For many inbuilt libraries are being used here, and it can use that inbuilt libraries for various purposes. Okay, and also it can be extended to other programming languages, or other programming language codes can be used in this Python programming language, right? And also it is a dynamically typed language, that is you don't want to declare variables many times. Okay, right? So you can directly set the values to the programming language, and you can do the task. Okay, and the programming language or the programs which are written in that programming language can be run immediately. That is, you don't want to take time to compile it, and then you don't want to go for execution, right? Directly you can go for execution here. Okay, so that is, it takes only a limited amount of time. Okay, so more number of time is not needed for doing the compilation and for doing the execution process. So now we shall see how to download the Python programming language, right? So in a Google search you can click on Python. Okay, so the Google search you can click Python, and you will be getting the result as Python, right? The first link you can go, right? So this is the official website of a Python programming language, right? So here you can see the downloads option. So you just click on it, and here you can see a number of Python versions is being available here, right? So the latest version is said to be Python 3.10.7, right? The popularly used the Python version is Python 2.7, right? So here if you scroll down, you can see the releases. Okay, so 2.7 is released in 2010, that is, it is first released in 2010, and 3.7 in 2018, and here you see the date. 3.1 also it is released in 2021, that is bug fixed. One is released in 2021, and here you can see 3.9 is the first released in 2020 and then 5. Okay, right? Clear, right? So these are different type of releases which have been released. Okay, so here you can see the specific date when it is being released. Okay, the specific date when it is being released, right? So the latest release is during the time September 6, 2022. Okay, right? So here, if you are downloading the Python programming language from the website, you just go for the stable version. Okay, you can go for the stable version. So here, the currently stable version which you can take is nothing but 3.6. Okay, the oldest version which is being available or which was being widely used is Python 2.7, and nowadays it is Python 3.6. Okay, so you can download any versions of the Python versions 3.6 or higher, right? We don't want to go for the latest version, right? Because the latest version will get updated frequently. So you can go for the stable version. So here you can see the latest version updations. Here you can see 3.10 is there, 3.9 is there, 3.8 is there, and 3.7 is there, right? Okay, frequently these versions are getting updated, right? So you can go for the version set to be 3.6, okay, which is a stable version. Okay, right? So if you download, so you can download it, and it will be only taking some small amount of KB, so the size is much more reduced. Okay, right? So from this website you can download the Python programming language. Okay, after downloading this Python programming language, as usual you can use it for your execution. Okay, so in this mission I have already installed it, so I will be showing you how to take it. Okay, so after installing, you can see here, so here I have installed Python 3.9. so here is X on extending it. Here you can see an IDLE in the Python command prompt, right? So these are the two places where we can execute the programs. Okay, so one is IDLE, right? So IDLE is nothing but it is an integrated development and learning environment. Okay, so here you can do the programs directly. That is, this is an area where you can interact with the Python programming language. Okay, so as I told you earlier, it is an interactive programming language. So the code or the expression which you are providing, the result can be obtained immediately. Okay, so here for example, take I am giving 2 plus 3. On clicking the enter key, I will be getting the result immediately. Okay, so this is an interactive, right? So the second case is, it is nothing but a script mode. That is, you will be writing the coding and then you will be executing, right? So here the for taking the script mode, you can click this file, and here you just click the new file, and new window will be open, right? So here what you can do is you can type the coding. Okay, so here simply I am typing a basic code. Okay, so this is a Python code to print the hello world, right? So here you have to use the run or execution, right? So click run and run module. So it will be asking, since we have not saved it, it is asking to save, whether we need to save the file. Okay, so I am giving it okay, and now I am choosing the desktop to save it. Okay, so I am giving this Python. Okay, Python. So here you can see the save type is Python files. Okay, so automatically it will be saved with the extension .py. Here you can see it, right? So here on clicking this run module, the program will execute, and as at that instant you will be getting the output. Okay, so here the output of this coding is hello world. Okay, so I am getting it. So we shall give another one: a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to a plus b, print c. Okay, so again I am going to execute it. You will get the value as 5. Okay, so this mode of operation is set as script. Okay, so writing a code, saving that code with the extension .py, and after running, you will be getting the result. Okay, so writing a code and saving it as a file is set as a script mode, and directly giving the expression and getting the output is set as interactive. Okay, so these are the two type of mode which is available in Python programming language. Okay, right? So here I have shown you a IDLE, that is the integrated development and learning environment, right? So here what you can do is you can give the syntax, or here you can give the expression, and you can check whether it is correct or not. Okay, so there you can do it. Okay, so and disadvantage in this IDLE is you will not be able to save the file. Okay, so if you use the script mode only, you will be able to save the script, but in case of IDLE, you will not be able to save the file, but you can execute the expression and you can see the result. Okay, so then the interpreter, that is, it has two mode of execution, one is interactive mode and one is script mode. Okay, that we have seen just now, right? So here the what are the difference or the major features of the interactive mode and the script mode. Okay, so in the interactive mode you will be able to type the command in the command prompt, but in script mode you can write the commands and you can save it, and after that you can execute it. Okay, right? So interactive mode, you will not be able to save the command, or you will not be able to edit the command, but in case of script mode you can save the file as well as you can edit the code. Okay, right? In interactive mode, if you want to execute, or if you need to experiment the code, you can do it. But in the script mode, if you are clear about the code, you can use the script mode and you can execute. Okay. But in interactive mode, you will not be able to save the commands. But in script mode, you can save the script. And in the interactive mode, you will be able to see the result immediately. But in the script mode, only during the execution time, you will be able to see the result. Okay. So these are the informations or introduction about the Python. Okay. Thank you.